Today, we're exploring one of the most underrated destinations in Canada, Parry Sound, Ontario, and the wild beauty of the 30,000 islands in Georgian Bay. Crystal clear water, rugged pine-covered islands, kayaking, boat tours, and sunsets that feel like magic. Let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back to Oz Adventures 24/7. Today we've made the trip up to Parry Sound, about 2.5 hours north of Toronto. We're here to explore what's known as the world's largest freshwater archipelago. Yeah, 30,000 islands. Sounds like an adventure, right? Parry Sound is a small town with big nature vibes. You're right on Georgian Bay, surrounded by thick forests, sparkling water, and that unmistakable Northern Ontario calm. We've just arrived, and first things first, coffee, always. I found this cozy little spot called Northern Perking. Friendly folks, and the baked goods smell incredible. If you want to take it all in before hitting the water, head up to Tower Hill Lookout. It's a short climb and totally worth it. From up here, you can really see how wild and beautiful this region is. Forests roll into the bay, dotted with thousands of rocky islands. It's like looking over another world. Now it's time to explore the 30,000 islands. You can take a boat tour or rent a kayak if you're feeling adventurous. Today, we're heading to a friend's cottage and heading out on a boat. You gonna get on there?
All right.
This is Captain Dan, the myth, the legend.
Yeah, I'm Lieutenant Dan. Captain Dan. All right, hop in. Grab a spot anywhere you want. They do, in the summer, they bring the cruise ships in. They do, Chicago, they start in Chicago. They go from Chicago up Lake Michigan to like upper Michigan, Sault Ste. Marie. They go all the way up to Thunder Bay, Ontario. Yeah. And then they come back down through Lake Huron. They stop in Killarney, like by Sudbury. They stop in here. They stop in Midland. So this is the actual seaplane base.
Oh, this is where we parked and we walked up.
Yeah.
Oh, I took photos of the little lighthouse there.
That's the coffee shop there, right on the corner there.
Yeah.
That's my favorite coffee shop.
Yeah, it's a ripper. Here's an interesting fact. Ships come into the harbour here from salt mines and offload the salt to be used on the roads in the region during winter.
Native reserve.
This is a swim bridge, so when big ships come through, they swim.
turns every hour on the hour.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, it was built in like 1800 something, so it's really cool old technology.
This area is a World Biosphere Reserve and it's easy to see why. Some islands are big enough to camp on, others are barely bigger than a picnic blanket, but every single one feels untouched and timeless. The shoreline of the bigger islands just lined with cottages. Pretty incredible to see. It's so peaceful out here. You really feel the disconnect from the city life. No traffic, no noise, just the wind, the water and the trees. We just pulled up at this little island, completely uninhabited. Let's check it out. We made our way across the island to the other side. By the time I got there, Captain Dan had already just about had everything set up. Him and Laura.
Oh, nice.
Pretty well organised. They've done this pretty regularly. We found a bit of firewood, set up a fire.
Well, have you?
Yeah. I'll make a little fire here so we can cook some lunch. There's a little fire pit there.
What you got to eat?
Brought some hot dogs and buns. Did you bring condiments, Laura?
Yeah, I brought
Awesome.
Hot dogs and buns.
Yeah.
Really? So, do you come to this spot a lot?
Not a lot. Maybe once, twice a summer.
So it's special then? Special spot. That's a ripper. Hand chainsaw.
Yeah.
That, mate, that is brilliant. Hey? Hey? Oh, that's crazy.
While Dan cooks us lunch, I'll put the drone up for a look around. The water is shockingly clear and refreshing. A lot of people come up here just to island hop and relax, with a picnic or a swim. Honestly,
we got
I get it.
nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be.
hard to beat this kind of lunch for you. After a lovely hot dog and a refreshing beer, we headed back to the other side of the island. The girls went for a quick swim to refresh, and then we headed off.
Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the nails.
Back on the mainland, life slows down here. Whether you're staying at a cosy cottage, a resort, or a local Airbnb, the vibe is the same. Simple pleasures, quiet nights, and starry sky. If you're looking to disconnect, this is where to do it. Sunsets on the Georgian Bay are something else. It's like the entire sky catches fire, the light, the reflections. It feels like time stops for a bit. Kind of perfect, right? So that's a full day in Parry Sound and the 30,000 islands. Honestly, I didn't expect to fall in love with this place as hard as I did. Nature, peace, adventure. It's all here. If you're looking for an Ontario escape that feels like a hidden gem, put Parry Sound on your list. Thanks so much for coming along. If you like this vlog, hit that like button. Drop a comment and subscribe for more of the off-grid travel spots in Canada and beyond. See you next time.
Yeah, it feels like